Hey Tom, we were talking about old mills. This is one of the antique pieces of equipment that we salvaged from it. Back then, in the shake mill days, there'd be big chutes coming off of the shake mill up here, and all the workers, you know, your guys up there that are running the sawyers and the splitters, and the guys down here at the bottom of the chute, they were the packers. But you know, to the outside world, everybody that run the mill, they were what was called a shake rat. So they just hung around shakes all day long. So the big chutes would be coming down, all the different grades, different sizes of all the shakes. And there'd be one guy's job to stand here at this packing machine and reach up, grab the shakes, and lay them in place here. You fold this door up, start laying your shakes in one way, lay them in the next way, lay them in the next way, and you'd build a bundle of them. And once you got it up right about to the hooks, this big lever over here on the side, you need to push it down with your hand like so. Or I'd seen guys that would put their knee on it, and that'll compress the bundle. These arms right here come up, and these ones come down. They'd run the bundle down until it was tight, pass the banding material underneath of it, tie it in place, let up, grab your bundle of shakes, send it off onto the truck, ready to go to the roof. Way too cool of a piece of equipment for me to leave behind. All mechanical linkage. You can see just a big old spring on the arm. You know, you got to wonder how many hours somebody's hand had passed across this thing that it's worn down to the shape of the human hand, and that was a 2x4. Pretty unique. Pretty cool. Yeah, looks like it needs a little repair. I'm gonna fix that.